In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make outlines in Figma in just 5 minutes. Whether you're sprucing up your design or ensuring elements stand out, outlining is a straightforward technique that can add a significant visual impact. So, let's dive in, and I'll guide you through the process. First things first, open your preferred web browser and do a quick search for Figma. If you already have it bookmarked, just head over to their website. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to set one up, but today, we're assuming you've got one ready to go. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your dashboard. Here, you have two options. You can either open an existing design that you've been working on, which could use a bit of outlining, or you can start fresh with a new project. If you're new to Figma, I recommend playing around with a new design to get comfortable with the tools without the pressure. Now, with your design open, the next step is to select the layer you want to outline. This can either be a text layer or a shape layer, depending on the assets you're working on. Simply click on the element in your design canvas to select it. With the layer selected, direct your attention to the design panel on the right part of your screen. Here, you'll find various options to modify your selected layer. Locate the fill section. If your layer has a fill color, and you want to focus on the outline instead, you'll want to hide the fill. To do this, either press the minus icon next to the fill section or click the color swatch and choose None from the menu. Next, we need to add a stroke to the layer. In that same design panel, look for the stroke section, which is usually positioned just below fill. Click on the plus icon to add a new stroke. This adds an outline around your selected layer. After adding the stroke, the last step is to adjust its appearance to match your vision. You can start by tweaking the stroke thickness until it looks just right for your design. You have the option to change the color of the stroke as well, either matching your brand colors or something that contrasts well against the rest of the design. Finally, you can adjust the stroke position, deciding whether it should sit inside the shape, outside, or be perfectly centered along the edge. And there you have it, an outlined layer in Figma. This simple technique can transform your design and make certain elements pop. Practice this a few times, and soon it will become second nature when you're working in Figma. Thanks for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next video.